The 77-cent support level for Nexo USD generally is serious areas of strength for truly, basically is genuinely huge. Nexo USD exchanges close 68 cents in every way that really matters, large way. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is floating at $4,101,569 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo down roughly 3.3% inside the most recent 24 hours and in every practical sense, huge way. The 8th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly got clarification on pressing issues. What explicitly is extremely transient cost expectation for Nexo, especially as Nexo a wise venture, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us to discuss the extremely current economic situation, market investigation over the very last 24 hours. There really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,136,850,397,543, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo for the most part is floating at $4,101,569, which by and large is genuinely critical. The extremely all-out exchanging volume remains at $47,516,158,315. So however, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, explicitly let us in every way that really matters, discuss the by and large current economic situations in an exceptionally huge manner. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of enormous manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, showing how Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us essentially discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which in every way that really matters is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13, following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span, which truly is very huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, is somewhere near 6.93 and presently exchanging at 42 cents, or so they really thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the in every practical sense local coin of XRP, really is somewhere around 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents, or so they by and large thought. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in every practical sense descending course for truly present moment. Genuinely further appearance how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the in every way that really matters local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere near 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents amazingly. As of now, an exceptionally broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in every way that really matters shows that these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a very descending course for commonly present moment. Truly further appearance how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 6.93 and right now exchanging at 42 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become genuinely more extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 3.71% coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us discuss the essentially current economic situations, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers really become move especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin cost from moving higher, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Nexo. Nexo execution. The extremely current Nexo cost explicitly is 68 cents, with an exchanging volume of $4,101,569 in the especially beyond 24 hours. At present, NEXO by and large is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $378,810,095 USD in an exceptionally enormous manner. Nexo value examination. NEXO cost investigation for the 8th of May 2023 inside an everyday time period especially made sense of underneath. So NEXO down roughly 3.3% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving commonly normal union and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving certainly normal and remarkable moving kind of normal to especially dissect the future development of the Nexo, showing that presently, NEXO generally is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $378,810,095 USD in a significant manner. The Nexo truly has in every practical sense break all its especially upholds levels, and things truly are not looking truly great for the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Right now, basically bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively truly take NEXO cost beneath the critical help level of 82 cents, exhibiting how NEXO USD exchanges close 68 cents in a quite huge manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and truly is attempting to by and large break out of the impartiality zone, exhibiting that Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which essentially shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending bearing for most certainly present moment. Most certainly further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the truly local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. While NEXO's Williams % R pointer truly is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal fundamentally is especially conceivable at this reach, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line especially is remaining above of the very signal line after an especially sure hybrid, which basically shows that Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which by and large shows that these occasions especially demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a kind of descending bearing for commonly present moment. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So XRP, the truly local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 6.93 and right now exchanging at 42 cents, which certainly is